Hello everyone and welcome to your Tuesday maths lesson. Now today we're going to be adding and subtracting fractions with the same denominator. So let's have a look at this number sentence here. I've got 1/4 add 2/4 equals something. Right. Now there's a couple of methods we can use to solve this. Okay. Now on your worksheet today you'll see that you've got like a circle with it's separated into a number of equal parts. Now those equal parts will match our denominator because remember our denominator is the amount of equal parts which make up our whole. So we can use this to help us on our worksheet today. So I've got 1/4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade in one of the 4 parts because remember our numerator is how much I'm interested in. I'm interested in one of them out of the 4, 1/4. Now, I'm going to add on to that circle 2/4. Okay, so that's going to be 2 more parts need shaded in. 2, because that's my numerator, and that's what I'm interested in. So I'm adding on. So with this one, I'm going to do some lines to show that it's a different fraction. Now, what we're going to be looking at is how much of that circle is now shaded in. I had 1/4, add 2/4 equals something. Okay, so how much of that shape is shaded in? 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded in out of a possible 4. So my answer would be 3/4. Now that's one way of solving it. Now, some of you may remember from doing this in class that there's an even easier way than solving it than that. So I may have the question 3/8 add 2/8. Now, our denominators are exactly the same, okay? We are not going to touch our denominators. Our answer will still be the denominator which is in our question, which in this case is 8. Now the only thing we do with the addition calculation is that we add our numerators together. So what is 3 add 2? Of course, is 5. So my final answer will be 5/8. Let's run through one more. If I had the question 2/6 add 3/6 equals something. Now, am I going to touch the denominators? Do I need to? No, of course not. So my answer, my denominator is also going to be 6. Okay, because in my question, my 2 fractions are 6. So my answer fraction will be 6 as well for the denominator. Now my numerator, I need to add them together because I'm adding these 2 fractions together. So I've got 2 add 3 equals, and of course, like we just worked out, is 5. So the answer for that one would be 5/6. Brilliant. Now, subtracting. When I'm subtracting 2 fractions, okay, it's exactly the same again. Okay, so if I was to have 6/8 take away 4/8 equals something. Now, just like our addition, we do not need to touch the denominators. They are going to stay exactly the same, and my answer will be the exact same denominator, which is in my question. So in this case, it's 8. Now, because we are taking away, we therefore need to take away our numerators. So 6 take away 4 equals 2. Absolutely. So 6 take away 4 equals 2. So my answer is 2/8. And then let's do one more. Let's have 8/10 take away 5/10. Okay, so my answer, my denominator is of course going to be 10 because the denominators in my questions are 10. And now with my numerator, I need to take away. Okay, remember that today. Keep your eyes peeled to see if it's add or take away. So in this case, we're taking away, so I need to take away my numerators. 8 take away 5 equals 3. Therefore, my final answer is 3/10. Okay, so that should help you today working through your worksheet. Okay, remember, if you get stuck at all, you can watch back through this video, pause at any points which you get a little bit stuck on, and hopefully you'll therefore fly through the worksheet. All the best of luck, guys. See you tomorrow.